Laughter is healthy. It is, as they say, the best medicine. It can improve teaching and learning in the classroom as well. Humor can boost long-term memory and retention as well as focus. It's an effective way to quickly get the attention of students and can even serve as a great discipline tool. Using humor can avoid causing tension while redirecting student attention and focus. It is critical, however, to avoid using sarcasm, which can be destructive and have a negative impact on student behavior and emotions. Laughter can decrease stress, modulate pain, decrease blood pressure, relax muscle tension, and boost immune defenses. All of these health benefits are very significant and should not be overlooked by educators. We should do what we can to improve the mental and physical health of our students as well as ourselves. Teachers can begin lessons with humor, a joke, a funny anecdote, or even a story making fun of themselves. This sets a positive tone for the class and creates a classroom conducive to learning. Sandwiching humor between instruction and repetition is another suggestion. In conclusion, using laughter in the classroom creates healthier and happier students that are prepared to learn, engaged in the lesson, and more likely to retain the information presented over. So the question becomes, why not use laughter in the classroom?